Hey guys, look, I got a fidget spinner. Woo, I got a fidget spinner.
I think that's enough.
These things are awesome.
Let's test it.
Look at this thing.
Sit
I
in
can
the
already
chair.
bounce it. It came today.
How
Woo!
about you sit in the chair?
It's
I can't
totally
switch.
safe.
Hope so.
Yeah, I can't switch.
Ready?
Okay. I can hold it sideways. I'm gonna try and do something.
We're busy.
It's on the knee.
Poncho. Rubber boots.
Yes, I got it. Look, it doesn't fall off.
Why? It was just
Oh,
barely
it fell
raining.
off.
I know that. But Captain Dad still made me wear all this stuff so I won't catch
Got
a
it.
cold. And he made me carry this.
I'm gonna try something.
Hey, I might have some good news for you. Come here.
What?
I was thinking about your mom's purse, so I went online and look what I found for sale.
Did a little bit.
That's
You
my
saw.
mom's purse.
That's what I thought. Here.
This is so addicting once you get one.
Used Kate Spod purse.
No.
Recently stolen.
I'm trying to practice bouncing.
Put that in the ad.
Right?
So what's our plan?
Well,